Hello Sudoku friends, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, December the 12th, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see a lot of sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 sixes. So let's get started with a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only two places for 6 is here or there. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in that row, the only two places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. One of the missing number in this big square is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Only one box remains for the 7, that is this one. There's 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in this row, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here already a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. A 3 in this row, a 3 in that row. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be here. A 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here already a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. I see there 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. One box remains for the one, that is this one. Then we go for the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 is here. In the middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see there 9, so no 9 there. I see there a 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Then 3, 5. Yes, in this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. I see there an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have an 8 in one of these 2 boxes. In the row above, we have an 8 there. So in the last row, the only 3 places for an 8 is here or there or here. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there. I see there an 8, so no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see an 8 there, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in the first row, we have an 8 in one of these boxes. In the second row, we have an 8 there. So in the third row, the only place for an 8 should be here. And I remember before that one of these 2 boxes must be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here. Then 4, 5. Five, 2, and 3. I'm thinking. 5, 5, and 2. 3 and 5. Well. Yes, one of the missing number here is an 8. In this big square, we have an 8 there, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 over there, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. One box remains for the 8, should be this one. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Two missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 over there, so no 3 here, 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. One missing number in this big column for the number 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2, 3, and 9. 2, 3, and 9. I see here 3 and a 9. So 1 digit left for the 2. So 9 and 3 cannot be here. So 1 digit left for the 2. So this must be a pair. 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. That means in the last column, 2 numbers left. 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and a 2. 1 missing number in the middle row for the number 3. We have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 missing number in this row, the first row, number 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 5 and 4, that means 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2 is missing, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 2, 4, and 5. I see here 4, no 4 there. I see there 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Here the numbers for this row 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 3. 9 and 3. Here must be 1 and 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 5 and 5 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here, 2 numbers left for the numbers 7 and 1. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 goes there, and the 7 goes here. 2 missing numbers, 7 and 5 for this big square. Now we have a 7, so no 7 here, 7 goes there, and the 5 goes here. one missing number in this row for the number 5, one missing number in this column for the number 2, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so that the row above, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there, but I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, 5 and 3. That means 1 missing number in this column for the number 1. 1 missing number in this column for number 3. Here was 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 9 and 3, 9 and 3. Here was 5 and 4, 5 and 4. Here was 4 and 2, 4 and 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 must be here. 4 goes there. 4 and 5 we have in this big square. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 must be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers of the first column for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 5. Here I remember 5 and 3 for this big square. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 must be there, and the 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers here, 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. So we have finished this in 16 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.